At MedDirect, we know that every medico-legal expert is different, and so too are the services you need. That's why we've assembled a range of independent service providers you can directly engage only if you need them. Services like Telehealth Concierge, Transcriptionists, critical evaluation of reports, or one-on-one training in report writing to help you transition into new schemes and services. We've also got Translators your referrers can book, and for those looking for consulting rooms, we can connect you with other medico-legal experts who have rooms available on a sessional basis. It's a marketplace of medico-legal services that gives you access to everything you need with flexibility as your needs change. And if you choose to use one of these service providers, then like other members of your medico-legal practice team, they're set up on your MedDirect practice management system with access to only the information they need to do the job. WAV files for transcriptionists, appointment details for telehealth tech support, and so on. And because they're integrated into the MedDirect practice management system, the platform automatically notifies them when they've got work to do for you. You don't have to do a thing. More information about these service providers are contained in links next to this video. And if you'd like to use any, just let us know when you register and we'll get the ball rolling. But this is just the start. We've a host of other independent services still to come, all designed to improve profitability, efficiency, quality, and outcomes for medico-legal experts and their clients.